Hi to all from Fabrice and welcome to this new lesson about security tutorial lesson 2 that we speak about the arguments that it is encoding base64. This is my article that it is right for nerdSolution.net/tutorial sicurezza informatica tutorial sicurezza informatica lezione 2 encoding that you can find to this address. Okay, this is on my language that it is Italian, but you can translate easily with the plugins on the right of the widget of the site that it is Google Translator. And now we go to becoming this article. We therefore come to new lesson to talk to you about encoding on the field of its security. First of all, we are obviously talking about coding. In other words, cryptography is a process in which message is modified in order to make it understandable only to some, not to all. What is the encoding? Specifically, we speak of encoding type encoding in the computer field or even in the theory of signal when a data is transformed so that it can be used safely by a different system than the one that generated it. We often talk about this technique in data storage system or in the sending test messages. Typically, for example, in email or for displaying a special character on the web page, see UTF-8. When it comes to encoding, it is not intended to keep information secret but to be usable on different systems. In fact, this type of encoding transforms the data into different forms according to a scheme that it is available to all subjects with the aim of being able to easily obtain the original data. Wait a moment, please. Original data before it is custodied. And to do this, we just need to be aware to the initial algorithm that was used. Examples of these are URL encoding, JSON encoding, base64, actually Unicode. As you can see, this is alright because it is a link that I use. And now we go to explain the reason of this. I have done this. Obviously, the best known and most used coding in this area is certainly the following: base64 encoding. This is the table hash code. This is important only the picture. Now we go to explain the reason. Base64 is precisely an encoding that allows you to translate binary data according to the hash standard, taking into consideration 64 different characters of a table according to the algorithm that we will now see how it works. Base64 encoding algorithm. The base64 encoding is governed by an algorithm that converts it the following criteria. It divides the message into groups, each of which is made of 6 bits, which can have decimal value ranging from 0 to 63, for a total of 64 according to the following table. And this is the table that we use for decoding of this type of algorithm. Now, after we explain the function of this algorithm. To better understand how encoding works, I have given an example that I hope will help you. Now we see this is ciao. Ciao is the translate of my language of hello. You write ciao or with all up character, and the traduction of a table hash, we have C is equal to 67. If you go to the table hash, you see that C is 67. More I is 73. You go to the table and you see that I is 73. A is 65. So you have A that it is, where is it? 63, 64, 65, A, and so on. The value of 67 on binary value is 10000011. But we speak of value on byte, so we must have 8 bits. So we added a 0 to have 8 bits. Is okay? So C is became 01000011. Okay, because we have done the conversion from decimal value to binary value. The reason of 10000011, for example, with 65 is 1 multiplied to equal 6, 0, and so you have that the number 65. Add, you have the number 65. We say, I say that we have 8 for 4 is equal 32 bit. We must divide for 6, so we have 5, and I must add 1 bit because I must have the completely of the original byte. So we have we divide the value that I have obtained for 6 bit. So the first bit is the first number is 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 6. The second is 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0, because C is this, I is this, A is this, and O is this. And for this reason, I have 0 is equal to this value from decimal to binary is 16. This is 552. The first value is 37. The fourth value is 1, and the 5 value is 19, and the latest value is 48. So if at this moment I go to reach this value to the table of decoding that I have shown over. So I have that 16 is equal to Q, 52 is equal to, where is it? 0, and 37 is equal to L. Okay, and so on. To the final value, the translate of my word ciao hello is Q0RBTW, and where is exactly shown this procedure according to which through this calculation procedure that I have shown you with the calculation by hand, but which today is done through algorithm. If you want, you find a practical example of base64 algorithm and the following link. I show this to to this, you can click on, and you obtain this page, where there is the page with the algorithm that I have used, the description, and something else. And at the end, you can insert here the value to compute base64, and it is, I don't see it here. I copy, and this is okay, so you can see that it is correct. Okay, from this lesson from Fabrice is all. See you to the next. Bye.